So, okay, next topic is time independent Schrodinger wave equation. So, we previous class we learn about time dependent Schrodinger equation. So, in the some of the cases, so in many of situations, the potential energy do not depend on the time. Okay, the force that are acting on potential energy depends on the position of the particle. That means some of the situations the potential energy is does not which is depends on the time. So sometimes it is does not depends on the time. So in that situation, so we don't whenever it is does not depends on the time. So only if it is depends on the position only. So in that situation we have to use a time independent Schrodinger wave equation. So like the equations of motion. Similarly, in the quantum mechanics also, so time dependent and time independent equations, wave equations, which is useful to find out the potential energy and kinetic energy of a particle. Okay, whenever so some of the cases we have to not available, does not depends on the time. So in that situation, so we have to use the time independent Schrodinger equation. So in the time independent to derive the time independent Schrodinger equation, so we don't need about depends on the time. So to derive this expression, we have to introduce the wave function, that is Schrodinger introduce a wave function, that is psi of x comma t. Okay, can be written of the product of a function of x alone and other the function of the t alone. Okay, that means it is a function of position and time. Now, so by the time independent Schrodinger equation, so the wave function is defined as psi of x comma t is equal to a into e to the power of a into e to the power of I kx minus omega t. So I is the imaginary value, k is the wave constant, and omega is the angular frequency. So now it can be written as a into e to the power of kx into e to the power of minus I omega t, because of we have to find the time independent variable. So that's why we have to separate position and time coordinates. Okay, so then so psi of x comma t, and so this can be a into e to the power of ikx can be written as pi of x into e to the power of minus omega t. So then we have to above a wave function is differentiated with respect to t. So we get dou psi by dou t is equal to, so with respect to t, so we are differentiated here. So then we get minus omega t into pi of x is a constant term, because it is derivated with respect to t. So that's why we can written as a pi x function is pi x e to the power of I omega t. So then dou psi by dou t is equal to minus I. So suppose we this term is already we taken as psi of x is equal to pi of x into e to the power of I minus I k minus I omega t. So then we replace with the sign. Okay, replace with psi. Okay, then again dou psi by dou t is equal to, so minus I. So in place of omega, so we know that what is the value of omega. So omega is equal to 2 pi e by h. Okay, because of omega is equal to, so omega is equal to, we know that 2 pi nu, but nu is equal to, according to de Broglie equation, e by h cut. So e by h, so that is 2 pi, omega is equal to 2 pi nu, nu is equal to e by h. So then we replace with omega value is 2 pi e by h into psi. So then E psi is equal to I h cut, sorry, I, okay, h by 2 pi we can be replaced with h cut. So dou psi by dou t. Okay, so on the differentiated equation number 1 with respect to x, similarly, So this psi function, psi of x value, so we had to differentiate with respect to x. So then dou psi by dou x is equal to x term, okay, remaining terms are constant. So we are place as a e to the power of I omega t is a t term, okay, it is kept as a constant, and dou psi by dou pi by dou x, okay, this a into e to the power of I k x is can be taken as a pi function dou pi by dou x. Suppose, okay, dou psi by dou x is equal to e to the power of I omega t, and again so we have to suppose differentiated with respect to uh, x again. So then we get dou square psi by dou x square is equal to e to the power of I omega t minus into dou square pi by dou x square. So according to Schrodinger time dependent equation, we know that what is the time dependent equation. So that is E psi is equal to minus h square by 2m into dou psi by dou x square into v psi. Okay. Substitute equation number 1 and 2 in equation number 4. So what is equation number 1? Okay. Substitute equation number 1 and number 3 in equation number 4. This is the equation number 4. So equation number 1 is psi of x comma t is equal to pi x into e to the power of minus omega t. So we have to replace in place of psi as a pi of x into e to the power of I omega t into minus h square by 2m is same as minus into dou square by, so dou square by dou x square. So we can replace with dou square x square by dou x square is equal to e to the power of minus I, this value, equation number 3 value, e to the power of I omega t into dou square pi by dou x square into, so v place in place of v same as this psi of x is equal to pi of x into e to the power of I omega t. Okay. So this fourth equation number 4 can be, okay, translated in the form of pi, Then e into pi of x into e to the power of I omega t is equal to minus h square by minus h cut square by 2m e to the power of minus I omega t dou square pi by dou x square plus v into pi of x into e to the power of minus I omega t. So can be simplified as like this. Okay, this right. Okay, this value is h square by minus h square by 2m dou square pi by dou x square, same as this, plus so this value is this right side value is taken to left side. Then, okay, these all values are, okay, these all terms are bring into the same in one side. So we get the in this form, that is minus h square by 2m dou square pi by dou x square plus e minus v into pi of x is equal to 0. The above equation is simplified, we get this equation now. So dou square pi by dou x square is equal to, this term is taken to right side, so that is that value is becomes, so here 2m by h square minus h square e minus v into pi of x is equal to 0. Then we get we get dou square. So dou square, it is in the form of pi. So if it is in the form of psi, dou square psi by dou x square, this equation is becomes as, so it is in the form of pi. Similarly, if the equation is written in the form of psi, so dou square psi by dou x square plus 2m by h cut square e minus v into psi is equal to 0. So in case of 3-dimensional, so this is it is okay, the particle is travel along the x direction. If the particle is travel in 3-dimensional, so then, okay, this term can be written as del square. Del square is equal to, we know that a dou square x square dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square plus 2m by h cut square. So e minus v into psi is equal to 0. For free particle, So we know that okay, if the particle is free, so then there is the potential is equal to 0. So potential barrier is equal to 0. So that's why. So that is dou square psi by this equation is becomes so with respect to v value is taken to 0. So then dou square psi plus 2me by h cut square psi is equal to 0. This equation 5 is becomes as like this. So next dou square psi is equal to minus this value is taken to right side. So minus 2m by minus h cut 2m by h cut square e minus v into psi. So then okay, we get a simply after getting the simplify. So we get the value is minus h square by 2m del square plus v. So this v term is taken to left side, the quick value becomes the plus and so e side. So that is equal to, so we know that this is the Hamiltonian function, that is h value is indicate minus h square by 2m del square plus v is equal to e into psi. So we have one point is okay, that is del square psi. Okay, so del square psi plus 2m by h square e minus v into psi is called as a Schrodinger time independent, so time independent wave equation. This is a time independent wave equations. So if we are applying the free particle, so this is that equation is becomes as a time dependent Schrodinger equation. Okay, so here only okay, so this equation is called as time independent Schrodinger equation.